Ever wondered how safe you really are in the vast digital universe? As we navigate through the digital age, we are constantly at risk of cyber threats. These threats lurk in the shadows of our daily online activities, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. One of the most common forms of cyber threats is phishing, where attackers disguise themselves as trustworthy entities to steal sensitive information. Then there's malware, malicious software designed to cause damage to your system. Ransomware, a type of malware, encrypts your data and demands a ransom for its return. And let's not forget about social engineering, a manipulative tactic used to trick people into giving away confidential information. The consequences of falling victim to these threats are dire. You could lose sensitive data, suffer financial loss, or even have your identity stolen. In the next scene, we will dive into the practical steps to safeguard yourself from these cyber threats. So, how does one armor up in the digital world? Think of your digital presence as a fortress. Your first line of defense. Strong, unique passwords. They're the locks on your doors. The more intricate the lock, the harder it is for cyber invaders to break in. A password manager can be your locksmith, helping you create and store these complex codes. Next up, software updates. They're like the regular maintenance checks on your fortress. Outdated software is like a crumbling wall, easy to breach. Regular updates ensure your fortress remains robust, patched up against any known vulnerabilities. Let's talk about two-factor authentication. Picture it as a moat around your fortress. Even if invaders crack the lock, they're met with a second obstacle. This added layer of security makes your digital fortress even more impregnable. Secure networks are akin to the location of your fortress. Would you build your fortress in an open field or atop a hill? A secure network is your hill, offering better visibility and control over who approaches your digital presence. Now, caution with email attachments and links. These can be disguised invaders, Trojan horses if you will. Always verify the sender and be wary of unsolicited attachments or links. When in doubt, don't click. Remember, the key to cybersecurity is being proactive rather than reactive. Just as a wise ruler anticipates threats and fortifies their kingdom, you too must anticipate and protect your digital kingdom. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. The path to cybersecurity starts with a strong, unique password. Regular updates to your devices are key. They help fend off potential threats. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of defense. Always ensure you're on a secure network and be very careful with email attachments and links. These small steps can make a world of difference. Remember, your security is in your hands. Stay safe, stay secure. Until next time.